I had a mom one time, and this kind of thing happens all the time, but with her in particular, after giving birth to her baby, she had horrible hip pain that would not go away, and it had been months already. So she was like waiting it out to see if it would just settle. It would not go away. She couldn't sit, she couldn't work, she was getting numbness down her leg. I mean, just awful, awful stuff. It was the muscles right around the birthing canal, plain and simple. And when I started working on that, I mean, she was praising me as I was doing it. So yes, that is the pain. That's it right there. Why don't massage therapists ever work on that area? The reason why is because people are shy about it, right? So the obturators, we're gonna do obturator externus as well. It's a tricky place to be. Even the attachment of psoas is right next to the groin, stuff like that. Always explain what you're doing and why you're doing it, but you're gonna run across those patients where that is exactly what they need. And just because you're being shy about being in that area, whatever, you know, they're gonna miss that relief. You know, they're gonna miss that you know, avoiding that pain so they can sit, they can work, and they can be with their baby. That, you know, that's the mindset you have to be in. That you're doing this to give them better quality of life. It is a left brain, right brain thing. It's really super important. If you're kind of weirded out about working on a person's body, you're totally thinking left brain. It's all about you, it's ego. If you switch that, and it's hard, I know it's hard, you switch that to the right brain where you're trying to help somebody, then that kind of shyness starts to go away. You become the professional that knows what they're doing and they trust you. And I have patients that as I start explaining things, because I'm gonna be around their privates, for example, they're like, you know what, Eddie, I trust you, just do what you gotta do. That's what you want. You want to develop that kind of trust and that kind of professionalism. Right brain it. Left brain is important while you're learning stuff. Right brain is important while you're applying stuff, okay? Get your ego out of it and help those people, because nobody else is gonna explore those areas, nobody else is gonna work on those muscles, etc.